Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Knowledge. Today I am going to show you one troubleshooting in a Linux environment. So you can see I am getting this error when I am trying to install any package and I'm trying to install update this server. I am getting this error. So what is this error and how to solve, I am going to explain in this video. So you can see I built this server. That server name is a node 1 in a virtual box, okay, and I'm able to log in this server. You can see so maybe you will also, I think, also face this is similar issue, like after build the server you will not able to install any package, you're not able to install update your server, okay. So I'm going to explain today video how to solve that one. So I'm able to log in the server, and so we need to check few basic things here, okay. So let me check. Now let me run the IPA command. So you can see when I'm running IPA, it's a IP is showing here, okay. So it means IP is okay, and let me check the cat etc resolve.conf. So cat resolve.conf is also it's okay, like, so basic I can say it's all okay, basic settings are fine. So we need to go to the Oracle VirtualBox here, and you select your VM and then click on the settings, go to network. So here you can see I'm selected host only adapter, okay. So what you have to do, you have to change the bridge adapter here, okay, because this server is not in a network. This server is not in network, so that's why you are not able to install any package, okay. So I change the host only adapter, bridge adapter, and then go to the advanced. Make sure you have to select all here, okay. And the second adapter, that is additional, so I added in a NAT, okay. So you can also select enable the network adapter and select NAT, okay, and then click OK. Okay, so now let me log into the server now. So put it, let me try. I'm able to log in or not. Yeah, I'm able to log in now. Okay, so now let me check the IP. So now you can see IP is showing here, okay. So what is IP here? You can see similar IP is showing here, 192.168.29.99, okay. Now let me try to install any package. So before I'm going to install any package, I need to clean yum cache, yum clean all, okay. I clean the cache. Now let me try to install httpd. So like, you know, I think many people are getting this error, like after build the server they're not able to, you know, they're able to log in, they're able to do basic things, but they're not able to install any package, they're not able to connect through the internet, they're not able to download any zip file from the internet, okay. So you have to change these settings, okay. Once you change the settings, you able to, you know, install the package, you is able to download the package. Now you can see I able to fetch the repository. Now you can see I'm getting this one. So like now that error, that this error is not, I'm not get now, like which one earlier it was showing here, right, some yum that repository problem. So now it's solved here. Let me give Y here. So now you can see it's installing. So installation process is completed now, okay. So I believe this video help for you guys, okay. So thanks for your watching. Have a good day.